What is up, guys? Another video. And today's video, I am not going to be unboxing. I will do another video on the unboxing and the Stream Deck, which is over here. I'm not going to show that yet, but it's going to be right now. This is going to be the video after this video right now. So this video is going to be uploaded right now. And then the Stream Deck video is going to be uploaded after this one. So today we're going to be, basically you read from the title already. We're going to be doing the mouse clicking noise, how it sounds. So first, I'm gonna be quiet, and I'm going to let you guys hear it. Ready? Left click. Right click. Scroll wheel. Side clicks. Now, on this mouse, which is not the prettiest cord, but I think the other one, I think they made a wireless version, but I have the wired version. So basically, the mouse is like a normal scroll wheel, like any mouse will have. It goes and then it stops. But this is an actual, it's a professional mouse for like content creators and everything. But if you actually look closer, so this is normal. If you press this button right here, it will actually go infinity mode. And if I press the button, so if I make it go and I press the button, it stops it. Okay, now this button, which is, it changes its colors, but I have it activated, so it doesn't change the colors. These buttons. Now the other button. Now these buttons that are next to the left click, which I use for literally my sensitivity. Now the other one. See how it changes my sensitivity? That's the highest. Now this is the second highest. This is the second lowest. Now this is the most lowest, which is kind of what I use, but what I most use is the medium. Now the last button, which is my DPI. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please get it like 200 likes or 200, like 200 likes. Please, I tried my hardest to make this video. Oh, and it has a wait feature. I'll show that in the unboxing. So, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Wait, give me a second. Okay. Like. Press that red button in the bottom that says subscribe. Make it great. Hit that bell so whenever I post a video, it sends you a notification. It says this YouTuber blah 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 posted this, and and share this to your friends so they know they probably want to get their hands on this. First, I think this is the perfect size for my hand. Like all the fingers fit and everything. They reach. Yeah, I think they're good. Perfect for me. This cost over $59, over $60 on Amazon, but I can get this on Best Buy, any Best Buy for like $159. But yeah, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.